All right, so this is a video to follow up my other video, which I will link in the cards. But basically, I wanted to show you that I've been able to generate, just some money at the end of FIFA 21 by selling some of my players. Now, there's only $81. It's not a ton of money, but it's certainly enough to pay for FIFA 22. And again, this is just stuff that I normally do gaming anyhow. So I'm gonna go and click withdraw here, and I've got $80, so I'm actually gonna withdraw it to Litecoin. And so I've selected Litecoin here, and so here's the balance. There's gonna be some fees, and that's understandable. And then so the total payout is gonna be less. Now I could wait till I got over $100 and then the fees would be less, but I feel like cryptocurrency is going up right now, and I feel like the 5% would probably be better served if I got it into cryptocurrency now. So I'm gonna move that over into my Exodus wallet. As you can see, I've got a bunch of money in my Exodus wallet, but no Litecoin at the moment. I did exchange some for Cardano. Big fan of Cardano, and I love the fact that you can stake Cardano and earn 4 or 5% just from staking Cardano. If you're interested in that, let me know in the comments and I'll give you some information on that. So I'm going to send it to my Exodus wallet. So all I got to do is click the receive button, and it's going to generate my Litecoin address. So this is where funds are going to go. And so I'm going to copy this, and you can see it's August 30th in the evening. And so I'll pick up this video and show you how long this transaction actually took. All right, so it says success here. Now my funds have gone to 0. So I'm just waiting for those funds to come into my Exodus wallet. I'm assuming that this is gonna be a manual process. So I'm gonna pick this video up again once it's done and show you how long that it took. So this is pretty cool. I mean, I just made $80 from FIFA 21 when I played FIFA 20 and I had a similar team at the end of the game. I didn't make any money from it. And so this, I think, is just pretty cool. It's a way where you can actually make money gaming. So listen, kids, if your parents say you can't make money gaming, yes, you can. I just showed you how. Be sure to like and subscribe to this video. And I'm going to link another video into the cards that you should watch right now. Cue that. All right, so this is a video following up from that transaction where I did a withdrawal. One of the nice things about my DGN is you can actually go to your account. You see now I've withdrawn these funds. And if you go to your correct platform, you can see the transactions that you've made. So you can scroll back and you can see all the details of the transactions that you made, the time, the buy price, and the market price, and all that kind of stuff. So as you saw, we made that withdrawal on August 30th. It took a couple of days to actually come into my account, my Litecoin account. As I said, this is a manual process. So they have someone actually going through this, verifying it, and then sending it. And as you can see, about 2 hours ago on September 1st, I got my funds here. And as you can see, this is 77.57 USD, and they sent 77.45 USD. So that is actually from this platform, from IGN, from actually selling FIFA coins for real money. So yes, you can make real money gaming. How cool is that? If you think that's cool, leave a note in the comments and I'll give you some tips on how you can make even more money with FIFA 22. Now keep in mind that at the end of the season, these prices drop. So the amount that you're getting on the player auctions is significantly less than they will be at the beginning of the cycle. So right now for 10K on the Xbox, you're only getting 18 cents. I'm not sure how high this will be, but it will be very significantly higher, particularly at the beginning of FIFA 22. So that's a great opportunity for you to make some quick bank, particularly if you can get off to a fast start and get some good players early in the transfer market. If this is pretty cool, leave a note in the comments. And if you need help building your FIFA team, let me know. But I just wanted to show you that this is absolutely legit and 100% works. As you can see, I've got this transfer in right here for $77 US dollars in Litecoin, which is just pretty cool. All right, well, that's it for this video. We'll see you in the next one. So be sure to check out my other FIFA video linked here in the cards. All right, we'll see you in the next one.